Kwezinye zezizathu ezabekwa umbuso ngesikhathi uphikisana nokuthi lo mculi anikwe ibheyili, kukhona nesokungaziphathi kahle ngesikhathi ebizwe amaphoyisa nokubikwa ukuthi wathatha isikhathi esingamahora amahlanu ukufika.
But when he showed up, he was drinking liquor in front of an officer of the state, and there was liquor which the officer indicated was kept in the car, and therefore the officer requested for the intervention from people that knows the applicant in this matter. In that, the court is trying to demonstrate the attitude that has been shown by the applicant to an officer of the state.
Imantshi idalule ukuthi uLehlogonolo Chauke waziwa ngelikaShebe usayiphule kaningi imbandela yebheyili ake ayithola phambilini.
And there is evidence already on record that some of the offenses when the accused which had been committed by the accused in this matter, he was already on bail on some of the matters for which a condition was imposed that he should not commit a Schedule 1 offense.
Ukhulumela inhlangano yabaculi base-Limpopo uthi badumele kakhulu ngalesi sinqumo senkantolo.
That this war is not even over, it's far from over. We are taking this matter to a high court. I was engaging with the family together with the legal team, so we are taking them to a high court.
I-NPA isamukele isinqumo senkantolo.
There were lots of charges which has been given to the court that by the time when he was released on bail in different courts, he was committing further offenses. That is why he was denied bail today.
Ushebe Maberna uzobuyela enkantolo mhla ziyishumi nesishiyagalombili kuNhlolanja ka-2026.